Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get silica in Satisfactory. To begin, silica is a vital resource for many advanced crafting recipes, including glass and electronics. Initially, you can gather small amounts by cutting down coral with your chainsaw. However, for sustainable production, you'll need to unlock raw quartz research in the Molecular Analysis Machine, or MAM, which requires 10 raw quartz to start. Once you've unlocked raw quartz, your next step is to find it. Use your resource scanner by pressing the V key and selecting raw quartz to pinpoint nearby deposits. These nodes vary in purity: impure, normal, and pure, with pure nodes offering the highest yield. For efficient collection, place miners directly on these nodes to automate the extraction of raw quartz. With a steady supply of raw quartz, you can begin automated silica production. Raw quartz is fed into a constructor to craft silica. The standard recipe processes 30 raw quartz per minute to yield 50 silica per minute. However, for better efficiency, consider seeking out alternate recipes like cheap silica through hard drives. This particular recipe often incorporates limestone, a readily available resource, to boost your output. For late-game efficiency, explore advanced alternate recipes like dissolved silica. This complex process, unlocked via hard drives, yields both silica and quartz crystal, making it highly resource-efficient. It requires a combination of raw quartz, nitric acid, limestone, and water, often involving blenders and refineries. While more intricate to set up, it significantly boosts your overall production. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.